everybody, my name is Becky and I'm the in-flight lead on today's flight to London Heathrow. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today, and a special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and One World frequent flyers. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened on this short flight today. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on, and please do take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time during this flight. This does include the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar, and in Euro Traveller, a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will be followed by pre-purchased items from the Speedbird Cafe.